Hi, greetings. Today we will explore the ongoing practices of cybersecurity that are becoming a critical part of military paradigms. Let us begin. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks, unauthorized access, damage, or theft of data. The goal of cybersecurity is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information and computing resources. Cyber threats can come in various forms, including malware, malicious software such as viruses, worms, ransomware, and spyware designed to disrupt or damage computer systems. Phishing, attempts to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords and credit card numbers, by posing as a trustworthy entity. Denial of service, overloading a system, network, or website with excessive traffic to make it unavailable to users. Man-in-the-middle attacks, intercepting and possibly altering communication between two parties without their knowledge. Password attacks, attempts to gain unauthorized access to a system by cracking or guessing passwords. Social engineering, manipulating individuals into divulging confidential information through psychological manipulation. Zero-day exploits, attacks that target software vulnerabilities that are unknown to the software developer or vendor. Insider threats, security risks that come from individuals within an organization, such as employees with access to sensitive information. To counter these threats, cybersecurity employs a combination of technologies, processes, and practices. This includes the use of firewalls, antivirus software, encryption, multi-factor authentication, security awareness training, and regular security audits. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process that evolves alongside the development of new technologies and the discovery of new threats. Organizations and individuals alike must stay vigilant and adopt best practices to protect themselves from cyber threats. Navigating the digital frontier, an exploration of cybersecurity. In today's hyper-connected world, cyberspace has become an inextricable part of our lives, revolutionizing the way we communicate, conduct business, and access information. However, this digital realm also harbors a growing threat landscape, where malicious actors seek to exploit vulnerabilities and disrupt our interconnected systems. Cybersecurity, therefore, has emerged as a critical discipline, safeguarding our digital assets and ensuring the integrity of our online interactions. The evolution of cyber threats. The digital threat landscape is constantly evolving, with cybercriminals employing increasingly sophisticated techniques to exploit vulnerabilities and compromise systems. Malware, for instance, has become more complex and evasive, capable of infiltrating systems without detection. Phishing attacks have become more personalized and targeted, tricking unsuspecting users into revealing sensitive information. Phishing, or voice phishing, is a type of social engineering attack that occurs over the phone where scammers use deceptive tactics to trick victims into revealing personal information. Smishing, or SMS phishing, is a type of phishing attack that occurs over text messages where scammers trick victims into clicking on malicious links or revealing personal information. Cybersecurity pillars. Defense in depth. Effectively defending against cyber threats requires a multi-layered approach, employing a combination of preventive, detective, and corrective measures. This comprehensive strategy, known as defense in depth, aims to create resilience across all layers of the digital infrastructure, minimizing the impact of successful attacks. Preventive measures. Shielding the front lines. Preventive measures focus on establishing robust security controls to deter and prevent attacks from reaching sensitive systems. These measures include access control, implementing strong authentication mechanisms, such as multi-factor authentication, to restrict unauthorized access to systems and data. Vulnerability management. Regularly identifying, assessing, and patching software vulnerabilities to minimize exploitable weaknesses. Network security. Implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other network security tools to monitor and block malicious traffic. User education. Training employees on cybersecurity awareness and best practices to minimize human error, a common entry point for cyber attacks. Detective measures. Uncovering hidden threats. Despite preventive measures, cyber threats can still penetrate systems. Detective measures focus on identifying and isolating threats before they cause significant damage. These measures include security monitoring, continuously monitoring network traffic, system logs, and user activity for suspicious behavior. Threat intelligence. Gathering and analyzing threat intelligence to identify emerging threats and proactively adapt defenses. Incident response. Establishing a comprehensive incident response plan to effectively respond to security breaches and minimize their impact. Corrective measures. Restoring and learning. In the event of a successful cyber attack, corrective measures focus on restoring compromised systems, containing the damage, and learning from the incident to improve future defenses. These measures include data recovery, recovering lost or corrupted data from backups or other secure storage locations. System restoration, restoring compromised systems to a clean and secure state. Post-incident analysis, conducting a thorough investigation to identify the root cause of the attack and implement corrective actions to prevent similar incidents in the future. These 5 potential points of failure can take down the internet and online services. Fixed broadband ISPs. Mobile operators. Content delivery networks, CDNs, deliver critical content. Domain name system, DNS, and Border Gateway Protocol, BGP, direct internet traffic. Services and their application programming interfaces, API, direct programs communicating. Cybersecurity, a collective responsibility. Cybersecurity is not solely the responsibility of IT professionals. It is a shared responsibility among all stakeholders. Individuals, businesses, and governments all have a role to play in protecting the digital realm. Individuals must practice good cybersecurity hygiene, such as using strong passwords, avoiding suspicious links, and keeping software up to date. Businesses must implement comprehensive cybersecurity programs and invest in training their employees. Governments must establish sound cybersecurity policies and regulations, and foster collaboration between public and private sectors to address emerging threats. I hope you liked the article. Thanks for watching. Please watch, subscribe and comments. Stay connected for more.